Welcome students. This year in grade 6, you are going to learn a new subject, social science. What is social science? Social science is the study of human society and social relationships. Social science is classified into three parts. They are number 1 history, number 2 civics, number 3 geography. Now let us know what are we going to learn in these three parts. In history, we are going to learn the study of the past events such as the life of early humans, Mahavira, Buddha, ancient kings, and so on. In civics, we come to know about the rules and regulations of citizens, various government policies, and so on. In geography, we learn about the structure of our earth, its physical and political divisions. In this session, I am going to teach you the first lesson in geography. The topic is the earth in the solar system. Are you ready, children? My dear students, have you ever seen the sky after sunset? If you have observed, you might have noticed only one or two bright dots called stars. Later, it starts to increase in number during the night. Can you see the difference in this picture, students? Can we able to count the stars? No. It is very difficult to count the stars because they look so tiny. Why do the stars look so tiny? The reason behind is stars are very far away from us. For example, see this picture. How small an aeroplane looks when it is flying at a great height. But in real, aeroplane is very large in size. Look at this picture, students. How bright are the stars. It seems as if the sky is studded with diamonds. They all appear to be twinkling, but in real, they simply glow. What do you mean by the word glow? Glow means give out steady light without flame. Now keenly observe this picture, students. Along with the stars, we can also see the moon. Moon appears at different times in different shapes and at different positions. For example, I have shown only two different sizes and shapes of a moon. Once in a month there occurs full moon and new moon day. Now let us know the difference between these 2 days. On a full moon day, we can see the whole part of the moon. This day occurs when Earth is located between the sun and the moon. The full moon occurs only once in a month, and on this day, moon appears very bright. The other name of full moon night is called Purnima. On a new moon day, we cannot able to see the moon in the sky. This day occurs when the moon is located between the earth and the sun. The other name of new moon night is called Amavasya. Now listen to these questions. Have you observed the sky during daytime? Can you see stars at night time? Are stars present in the sky at the daytime? Now I am going to say the answer. Stars are present in the sky during the daytime, but we cannot notice it because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see the stars at daytime. On looking at this picture, can you guess what is this? You might have noticed various patterns formed by different group of stars. These patterns of stars are called constellation. Among the stars, there is a special star called North Pole Star. In ancient times, People used to find directions during the night time with the help of stars. It indicates the north direction. It always remains in the same position in the sky. Now, I am going to teach you about planets. What do you mean by planets? Planets mean wanderers. They are the large bodies which orbit the sun. They do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the sun, which is our nearest star. In the next section, we shall learn about the solar system. Okay, thank you, students.